Hey guys, this is Manuel here in my new house, showing you my new layout I just built. And here it is. Doing my all that is there because I was servicing the rail runner, and that's gonna be like a dirt parking lot and a dirt road. So this is my little town. I'm gonna put still do some little tree work. I want to be safe. I want to belt the tracks off. And I've got little crossing gates that go up and down. I've got the right there is my New Mexico railroad that when I'm running on it. It seems to be working real fine. I had those little like tried this like 2 weeks ago and boom, got it done today. And yesterday I got it done and I had the tracks all masked off. So now I'm all unmasked. Like I said, I'm gonna plan to put ballast on them and like realistic tracks, but I don't know how that's happening. That's gonna be in my future plan. You know why that's on? It's because that's a DC. I have an DCC Bachmann Command Control Center. Up here I did a little bit different of a lake bed. Here's the window. This is my bit of a lake bed. This right here is supposed to represent a wave, a big wave going into the first side. Oh, like it's about crossing up to the shoreline. There's my little lady rail runner station. I have to make a homemade one because I keep on forgetting mine. I like it. This is gravel. Like I said, right here where this is at, it's gonna be all dirt. It's supposed to be representing dirt. You can. I don't want to run the runner backwards because it could be risky. This one did lose its back wheel. So I hope you enjoy it, like and subscribe, and I'll come to you with more updates. Have a good day. Bye.